In our digital age, aligning your technology with business goals is a necessity for growth and efficiency. Yet, it's all too easy to jump into new IT investments head first to keep up with current trends. But, as Karen Novotny, CEO of California Computer Options, emphasizes, no business owner should ever go into any investment without a plan. That includes how you use technology. The right IT strategy for your business is how you can make sure that happens. Having one also enhances decision-making, improves risk management, boosts customer experiences, and increases operational efficiency. If you don't already have one, here's how to create an IT strategy for your business step by step. 1. Define your business goals, both short-term and long-term. 2. Assess your current technology setup to identify strengths and areas for improvement. 3. Develop a technology roadmap that showcases your timelines, budgets, and needed technology solutions. 4. Plan for training and adoption to ensure your team can effectively use any new technologies. 5. Implement the strategy gradually by following your established roadmap. 6. Continuously monitor and adjust the strategy as necessary, based on performance metrics and evolving business needs. If you're looking to elevate your IT strategy, seeking expert IT consulting can make a significant difference. California Computer Options offers specialized consulting services to help you align your technology strategy with your business goals.